Let me paint a very familiar picture. You start trading. First week, you're excited. Charts look clean. Setups make sense. Everything feels logical. Second week, you take a few losses. Nothing crazy. You tell yourself, I'm still learning. Third week, you're down maybe 30 to 40%. And now you're watching YouTube videos at 2 a.m. searching. How long does it take to become profitable in trading? Because deep down, you're wondering, am I just slow? Or is this actually harder than people said? And then you see someone online saying they became profitable in 3 months. And now you're thinking, why is it not working for me? Yeah, that's literally where most traders start doubting themselves. My name is Aid, and I spend way too much time thinking about how long it actually takes to build real, sustainable income from trading. If you're someone who has been trading for a while, still not consistent, and you're starting to question whether you're wasting your time, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because look, here's the thing. The biggest mistake traders make is not losing money, it's misunderstanding time. Let's address the elephant in the room. You've probably heard things like, I became profitable in 3 months. Flip $100 to $10,000 in 2 weeks. Quit your job in 90 days. Let me be honest with you. That's not the reality for 99% of traders. According to a study published by Barber, Lee, Liu, and O'Dayan, over 80 to 90% of active traders lose money, and only a tiny fraction become consistently profitable. And here's what most people don't realize. The ones who do succeed, it usually takes them 1 to 3 years. Not weeks. Not months. Years. Now you might be thinking, why would it take that long? It's just buying and selling, right? Look, trading is not just a skill. It's actually 3 skills combined into one. Technical skill, understanding charts, price action, patterns. Risk management, protecting your capital psychological control. Managing your emotions. And here's the problem. Most people only focus on the first one. Imagine trying to become a professional footballer, but you only practice shooting. No fitness, no strategy, no teamwork. Would that work? Of course not. That's exactly how most people approach trading. Let me break this down in a way that actually makes sense. Phase 1. The excitement phase, 0 to 3 months. This is where everything feels easy. You think you've found the strategy. You might even make some money. But here's the truth. Most of that early success? It's luck. Phase 2. The reality phase, 3 to 9 months. This is where it hits you. Losses increase. Confusion sets in. Your strategy stops working. You start jumping from strategy to strategy, indicator to indicator. This is where most traders quit. Phase 3. The frustration phase. 9 to 18 months. You're not completely clueless anymore, but you're still inconsistent. Some weeks you win. Some weeks you lose everything. And now you're thinking, maybe I'm just not cut out for this. Phase 4. The turning point. 18 to 36 months. This is where it gets really interesting. If you've survived this long, you start to notice patterns. You stop over-trading. You start managing risk properly. You become more patient, and suddenly, things start to click. Let's talk numbers, because this is where most traders get it completely wrong. Example, unrealistic expectations. You start with $1,000. You think, if I make 10% per day, I'll be rich in no time. But here's reality. Professional traders aim for about 2 to 5% per month, not per day. Per month. Now do the math. If you make 5% monthly on $1,000, after 1 year, approximately $1,800. After 2 years, approximately $3,200. After 5 years, approximately $11,000. Not flashy, but sustainable. Here's what most people don't realize. Trading success is not about speed. It's about survival plus consistency. Now let's talk about something even more important, your brain, because trading is 80% psychological. Stage 1, overconfidence. You think, I've figured it out. Stage 2, self-doubt losses happen. Now you're questioning everything. Stage 3, emotional chaos. You revenge, trade, overtrade, break your rules. Stage 4, discipline. This is where you stop chasing. You start following your system, and this is where progress begins. Ook. The reason most traders never succeed is simple. They quit before reaching stage 4. Think about this. If it takes 1 to 3 years to succeed, but most people quit within 6 months, then of course they never see results. And honestly, this is exactly why I created my Telegram channel, because one of the biggest problems traders face is doing this alone. Inside the channel, I share real-time market updates, high probability trading signals, trading opportunities most people miss, and insights I don't even post on YouTube, so instead of guessing, you're actually learning in real time. If you're serious about improving, the link is in the description. Let me tell you about someone. Let's call her Sarah. Sarah started trading with $500. First 6 months, she lost almost everything. She quit, came back, lost again. What changed? Instead of chasing profits, she focused on risking 1% per trade, taking fewer trades, journaling everything the result. For the next 4 months, she didn't make money, but she didn't lose either. This is where it gets really interesting. That break-even phase? That's where she built consistency, and within the next year, she became profitable. If you're watching this, here's exactly what you should do. 1. Stop asking, how fast? Start asking, how well am I executing my strategy? 2. Focus on riskotsk. First, never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. This alone will change everything. 3. Track your progress, not your profits, your behavior. 4. Accept the timeline you're not behind. You're just early. Now you might be thinking, okay, but what if I've been trading for a year and I'm still not profitable? Look, that's normal. The question is, have you been consistent for that year? Or have you been restarting every few months? Or maybe you're thinking, what if I don't have enough capital? Honestly, capital is not your biggest problem. Skill is. Because if you can't manage $100, you won't manage $10,000. Here's the honest truth. Trading is hard. Not because it's complicated, but because it requires patience, discipline, emotional control. Things most people don't want to develop. So how long does it really take? Let's answer the question directly. How long does it take to succeed in trading? For most people, 1 to 3 years of consistent effort. Not perfect effort. Consistent effort. Look, you don't need to be faster. You need to last longer. Because the market rewards those who stay. If this video helped you understand the real timeline of trading, hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want to stop guessing and start seeing how real traders approach the market in real time, join my Telegram community. That's where I share the actual setups, signals, and updates that don't always make it to YouTube.